DRG Kids.
The Water Stealing Monster. There lived a lady called Sudha in Mehulpur village. Sudha had a very bad habit. She did not understand the importance of water at all, and thus she would throw away water in drains or roads, etc. Due to this habit of hers, Radhe, her husband, was also very disturbed, and he always tried to explain to her.
How many times have I explained to you that water is a precious commodity? Do not waste it like this.
Water is precious. How it is precious? Wells, rivers, all are filled with water.
Sudha, if people like you start wasting water in this manner, then maybe our children will not even get drinking water.
Radhe kept explaining this to Sudha every day, but she was someone who would never stop wasting water ever. Then one day,
Sudha, haven't you brought any drinking water from the well today?
I got it just a while back. Where did all the water go?
How am I supposed to know where did it go? All the utensils over here are empty.
Sudha is astounded hearing this, and then she fetches another bucket of water from the well. But the moment she kept the container with water down in her house, the water starts disappearing.
Oh my God! What is this? The water is disappearing all by itself from the pitcher. Where is it going?
While Sudha is speaking, suddenly a monster appears right in front of her. And
Monster? You are drinking the water from the pitcher?
yes, I am drinking it. I feel like drinking all of your blood. But I can't because I am the water thief monster. Sudha starts screaming after she sees the monster. And hearing her screams, Radhe runs to the kitchen. But before he reaches the kitchen, the monster disappears from there.
Hey Sudha, what happened? Why are you screaming like a mad woman?
There's a monster in the house. The water stealing monsters. Just see, I came back with this pitcher full of water and she stole it all away.
On hearing this from Sudha, Radhe peeps into the pitcher and says,
Oh yes, the pitcher is absolutely empty. But where did the water thief monster go? She's not visible. Where has she gone?
She was here right now, but she vanished the moment you came inside.
After that day, the monster starts roaming around in the village and keeps an eye on those who waste water. Whoever she sees wasting water, she would steal drinking water and bathing water also from them.
Ah, see this. The monster is stealing water from our house.
Shut up! You are the enemy of water. You don't even understand the significance of fresh water. Why do you need water? After saying this, the monster disappears. Soon, the entire village starts being afraid of the water stealing monster.
Hello, listen, do not waste water at all. If that monster sees, then she will take all the water from your house.
And then there won't be any water to drink also. Even though there would be water, we would still be deprived of the water.
But why does this monster behave like this? I think she's mentally unstable, that's why.
You are absolutely right. Brother, only a madman can be so attached to water.
Hearing them speak like this, Radhe is keen to tell them about the importance of water when all of them say no to him.
Brothers, on one hand, the monster is correct in her deeds. Water is absolutely precious. And without water,
Let it be, brother. Do not lecture us on water. We won't understand anything you say. You will say that water will get over, and we will say that water can never get over. This way, we will just keep on arguing.
After some days, the weather was very hot. And on such a hot day, a child was crying for some water to drink.
Water. Someone please give me few drops of water. If I don't get water, I will die right away.
The child's mother, upon seeing this, went away to find some water for her child. But before she could return there with the water, the monster appeared there. And, "Here, my child, drink this water. If it were on me, I would never let anybody go thirsty at all. On saying this, the monster's eyes become moist, and then the mother of this child also returns there with the water. Seeing the monster so sad, she is completely astounded. And
You are a monster and yet you are crying? May I ask you why you are considered the ones who waste water? Your sworn enemies, tell me?
on hearing this question from the child's mother, the monster tells her that our locality did not have water at all. We had to bring water from very far. During summers, drinking water was a major issue there. And one day, there was so much shortage of water that people died due to extreme thirst. The monster cries while speaking and says, "And this is how I did too." And then, when I came to this locality and saw how carelessly everyone was wasting water, it made me tremendously angry. So, to teach them a lesson, I became a monster. At the instance when the monster was narrating her tale, fortunately, the villagers were there too and listening to her. And upon listening to what she said, the villagers were very ashamed. And they came to the monster and told her,
Please forgive us, monster. We were unaware of the importance of water and...
That's why we did not think twice before wasting it.
But now we all came to know the importance of water in our life.
And if there is no water, then man and animals will all die. Friends, let's take a vow today. Neither we are going to waste any water, nor we are going to let anyone waste water.
Hearing the villagers talk and then hearing them making a promise of not wasting water ever again, the monster loses all of her anger and grief. Then the monster becomes quiet and leaves the village forever. This way, the monster taught the villagers that lives can be saved only by saving water. Water is precious.